everyone, Tyler with Diesel Laptops here. I want to talk to you about our labor time guide. We've made some new enhancements to this. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to go through here randomly and just select a bunch of different labor times, just so you can kind of get an idea of how this works. So, oops, I added 2 there. I'll delete that row. And let's do something from engine mechanical. Let's say it's a camshaft. And we'll add the hours for that. So what's new in this new version is over here on estimates. So if I click on estimates, the first thing you'll notice says please set your rates in the settings page. Great. Let me go over to settings and we're going to put everything in here. So I will put in my company's information pretending that I am the shop. All right, Augusta Highway, Gilbert, South Carolina 29054, and sales at diesellaptops.com. If you want to call us, 888-983-1975. So let's go in here and let's assume our shop labor rate's $125 an hour. Is also asking what our tax rate is. So for our tax rate, let's say we have 7%, and same with our parts labor tax rate. You can also add a company logo to this. So let's go to company logo. And I'm going to go grab just this random picture of an engine here. And then we're going to hit save settings. Settings saved. Great. Let's go back over to our estimate. So what it's asking to do now is basically to create an estimate for your customer. So let's just call this ABC Trucking 123 Anywhere Street. And I'm sorry, that's the name that goes there. John Trucker 123 Anywhere Street. That's in Lexington, South Carolina 29072. And let's say his email address is, what's a good one to use for us? help@diesellaptops.com. All right. So, and again, the customer's phone number you'd put in here. And then you would click Save New Company. So you'll notice now we have an address book that got created. So as you start to add customers, they'll start to pile up down this list here of customers that you have. And now we have our labor time over here. So let's go add a little bit of information to it. So let's say that we need a camshaft, and I'll spell that right. So camshaft, and we go over here to the quantity field, we say 1, and then we go over here to the dollar field, and let's say it is $1,200 for that camshaft. And you could add more and more parts as you go along here. Now you notice there's a little I symbol. I put my cursor over it. It's basically saying these little manual lines that you're adding in are being calculated at the part sales tax rate. Some states have no sales tax. Some have sales tax on owned parts only, some on labor only, and some on both. So that's why there's 2 different fields. So furthermore, let's go say this is on a 2009 Sterling Actera. And VIN number, we'll just put in a false VIN number in there. So great, we have our new estimate. We click save. Oh, it says, hey, we want to save it as something. Camshaft repair, save new estimate. And again, it's now saving all the estimates under that customer. So you'd use this when you want to go back in later and try to pull things up, which we'll show you here in a second. So as you can see now, you're putting all your information in here. It's calculating out everything that you're doing to the vehicle, giving you a subtotal, calculating your sales tax. If you want to put an other charge in there for towing or shop charges or whatever you want, give yourself a little buffer, you'd add it in. Any notes you want to display, you would put on here. So we'll put, these are my notes. Let's get this done. Now, a couple things you can do from here. One, you can email from right in the program. You just simply hit the email button. This is not going to open up Outlook or open up anything at all. It is actually going to send an email right to the customer with a PDF of what it is. So there it goes. The estimated time.pdf was sent to help@diesellaptops.com. And remember, help@diesellaptops.com is what we put up here in the customer database. So that's where the email is going to go to. All right, we hit OK. So say you don't want to do that. Say you want to print it. Obviously you can. Save to PDF is another one. And let's put in here test estimate number 6. Right? So now we just saved a test estimate to this folder. And I will pull up I'll pull it up on my other window over here to show you what it looks like. And test estimate number 6 we are pulling up. And let me minimize that so it's the right size. There you go. That's what test estimate number 6 looks like. So we have this nice, pretty looking estimate, has your shop information on there, has the customer's information on there, the estimate number, the date, the vehicle information, the description, and there's the notes you can type in there for the customer as well. So everything shows up nice. And of course, from here, you could email it to the customer or print it out as well. So if you're in here and you're trying to find another customer or want to reset it, you can simply hit the reset button at the bottom and that erases everything you've just done. However, you can go pull up the previous information, ABC Trucking, and it's saying what estimate. We pull up the camshaft repair and there's your estimate. So you have an easy way to retrieve your information once you've created it in case a customer comes back weeks, days, months later. So there you go, some great updates for our labor time guide now with estimating software. We hope you guys love it. We do sell it separate. However, for those of you that buy a kit from us, this comes with it absolutely free. Normally a $500 program. And again, the updates, this is nothing that's going to expire or stop working after a period of time. It will work forever. So I really appreciate your time. We're really interested in selling this program, getting some great feedback, getting it out there, and we hope to hear from you. Thank you much.